Hi guys, welcome to Chillipot Kitchen. My name is Darshini. Happy Mother's Day to all the wonderful mothers. Today I'm going to share a Mother's Day special recipe, Nutty chocolate fudge. This homemade fudge is soft, creamy and cuts beautifully when set. This delighting chocolate fudge is easy to make and very delicious. If you are a chocolate lover like me, you should give this chocolate fudge recipe a try. You must be wondering why I made fudge in an Instant Pot. The great thing about this Instant Pot chocolate fudge is it's essentially pour and cook recipe. There is no microwaving at different intervals or standing by the stove. Tempering the chocolate is very important for this recipe. Instant Pot tempers chocolates perfectly. And one important thing, I no need to worry about the burnt sides when I'm melting the chocolate. If you don't have an Instant Pot, you can do it in the stove top as well. Just make sure that you are using a heavy bottom pan and stirring it continuously and cook the chocolates on low flame. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Looking for more Instant Pot or electric pressure cooker, air fryer and Instant Pot blender recipes? Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more easy, healthy and tasty video recipes. I post new videos every Tuesday and Friday. Please do click the notification bell icon to get an update on my new videos. Let's get started to see how to make this nutty chocolate fudge in the Instant Pot. Check the ingredients. Take a screenshot of ingredients or check the description box below for the written recipe. First, grease the 9x9" bowl or baking tray with butter or oil. I suggest you grease the bowl with the oil. Place the parchment paper. It helps to release the fudge easily from the pan. Keep it aside. Let's start making fudge. To the inner pot, add 1 cup of chopped semi-sweet chocolate and 1 cup of bitter chocolate chips. I'm using this combination for better taste. You can use any chocolate of your choice. Add 1 whole can, which is 14 ounces of condensed milk. I know it's a lot, but once in a while is fine. Now, turn on the saute function in the Instant Pot at low heat mode. It started melting. If you want, you can add a tablespoon of scotch or rum to it. Once it's 70% done, add in 2 tablespoons of melted butter and mix it well. Then sprinkle a pinch of sea salt or any salt of your choice. It will enhance the chocolate flavor. Give it a mix. If you want, you can add a teaspoon of espresso powder now. Look at this, it's 90% done. Cancel the saute function. Take out the inner liner. Look at that, the chocolate is melted perfectly without any burns. Now add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Give it a mix. You have to act fast as it starts to thicken soon. If you're not allergic to nuts, add in 1/4 cup of mixed nuts and dry fruits of your choice. I have taken almonds, pistachios, raisins and cranberries. Give it a mix. Trust me, this is the best combination. Pour the chocolate mixture into the prepared pan. Make sure to prepare the pan before you start making fudge. Spread it evenly. Top it with some more nuts and dry fruits. Let it cool down for 20 to 30 minutes. Then put it in the fridge for 2 to 3 hours to set. After 2 hours, lift the fudge from the pan using the parchment paper. Then cut into squares. Look at that, how beautifully it slices. Wow, look at the smooth texture. It's so delightful. Store fudge in an airtight container in the fridge for 2 to 3 weeks or in the freezer for few months. Let's take a bite. Look at that perfect fudgy texture. It tastes so yum.
Happy Mother's Day to all mommies.
These are perfect for any party goodies or as a gift box for any special occasions and holiday seasons. Give this nutty chocolate fudge recipe in the Instant Pot a try. Trust me, you will love this delicious fudge. It literally melts in your mouth. Enjoy it with your loved ones. Thanks for watching my video. If you like the video, give a thumbs up. Do try this recipe at your home and give me a feedback in the comment section below. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Pin the recipe on Pinterest. If you have any questions or feedback, write it in the comment section below. I will respond to it as soon as possible. And see you guys in the next video. Bye.